Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I got a chat from a sister that says that I should teach her how to treat dysfunctional uterine bleeding, and she has had to go to the hospital for a long time. She was also discharged when it became too serious. Is your menstrual flow too heavy? Have you tried different medications, herbs, supplements, and they didn't work? Then this video is for you. Watch till the end. This is a secret remedy your doctor don't want you to know. Watch and learn. This is activated charcoal. Simply add 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal to a glass cup. Add water. This last thing at night before you sleep. This would help to bind toxins out of your liver, your kidney. It will help to heal you, and then any discomfort, any gut issues, it's going to cure it. Now the second herb we are going to be using is called Diatomaceous Earth. I'm going to leave a link of for this in the comment the description section. What you want to do is you take 1 teaspoon of this. You take 1 teaspoon, add it to a glass cup like this. Then you add water to the cup. Fill that up, and then you drink this first thing in the morning when you wake up in the morning. This is how it goes. Activated charcoal last thing at night. Diatomaceous Earth first thing in the morning. So when you are on this recipe for a whole month, make sure you drink lots of water, because this is the Diatomaceous Earth helps to remove parasites, and it helps to heal the body system. It's both of them would help you to lose weight drastically, give you clear, beautiful skin. In case you have serious heavy metal poisoning in your body system, these 2 remedies here is going to help to heal you. Now, other things I want you to note is you have to be consistent with these remedies for a whole month. That's number 1. Then number 2, while you are taking these remedies, do not take anything hot. No ginger, no garlic, no spicy food. Those of you that love spicy food, stay away. Then number 3, engage in active, fast-paced walking. Do not do hardcore exercises. You want to make sure you are walking 30 to 45 minutes fast-paced every single day. Number 4, eat foods that are rich in essential fatty acids, healthy oils, fiber, organic eggs, and proteins. No hardcore exercises. Consult your doctor before using this remedy. Make sure you subscribe, because we'll have more healthy, simple, natural remedies like this coming your way. And also, you need to come back and give us a feedback. So if you're not subscribed, you won't be able to find my channel next time. Subscribe, like, and share. That friend that may benefit from this. Thank you. Bye bye.